Okay, so in my previous videos, I touched on strength training tips that will improve your workouts and results. However, you may be asking, why should I do strength training if I'm trying to lose weight? Now this is a great question because a lot of people naturally turn to cardio and dieting when it comes to losing weight. However, along with following a healthy eating meal plan, strength training is one of the most important keys that you can implement to lose weight, and most of all, to keep off your lost weight forever, which everyone obviously wants. The reason for this is that the more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism. The faster your metabolism, the more calories that you burn. And the more calories that you burn, the easier it is to lose weight and the easier it is to keep off your lost weight. So that's key, first and foremost. But there's obviously more. For example, after your strength training workouts, you get an incredible afterburn effect, where you will continue burning off calories at an elevated rate for 12 to 72 hours after your workout, which is obviously great for weight loss. And also, if you implement strength training into your weekly exercise routine, you will look better, especially when you lose weight. You will look lean, fit and healthy, not thin, sick and underfed like some people do when they lose weight using unhealthy methods. Therefore, if you want to lose weight, or more specifically, want to lose body fat, because that's what you should be trying to lose, you must implement strength training into your weekly exercise routine.